How to change your YouTube profile picture in PC. Guys, open your YouTube account in Google Chrome or any browser. Then click on your account logo on the right hand side corner here. Then click on view your channel. Then click on the customize channel, or you can click on this photo. I will click on the photo. Okay, now this is for cover photo, and here down you can see this is for profile picture. So click on change. Now select your profile picture. I have made it here. Okay, click on open, then resize it if you want. I will just resize so it fits in middle. Yes, this is perfect. Click here and make sure you click on publish. If you don't click on publish, the changes will be not saved, so click on publish. Now here you can see it's loading. They are changing the profile picture. Wait for a few minutes or few seconds. Here you can see, go to your channel and your profile picture has been changed. Thank you.